Come here. I can't hear you. Come here. Come here and tell me what you want. Okay. What do you want? You want Coke? Why don't you drink your chocolate milk? Come here. Come here. You're not going to grow if you drink Coke. You got to drink milk.
Big boys drink milk. Milk makes you go into a big boy with muscles.
Come here.
Milk gives you
Are you going to drink your chocolate milk? Are you going to drink your chocolate milk? You don't need Coke.